When designing a hard surface asset like a knife, it's often the small mechanical details that transform a simple model into something that feels realistic and production ready. But before adding those details, it's important to make sure the overall shape and proportions are correct. In this tutorial, the focus is on refining the knife's high poly model while adding functional design elements that improve both its appearance and realism. The process begins by adjusting the handle. Even small changes to the size and silhouette can have a big impact on how believable the design feels. Using the Move brush with symmetry enabled, the handle components are carefully repositioned to create a more ergonomic shape. The pivot point is also centered, making it easier to scale and align the parts with precision. With the overall proportions looking better, the workflow moves on to separating the blade from the handle using Boolean operations. Instead of treating the knife as a single solid object, the blade and handle are organized into separate pieces. This creates a cleaner workflow and makes it much easier to add realistic construction details later in the process. To make the knife look like it could exist in the real world, new geometry is added to represent the plastic panels that hold the blade assembly together. A simple cube is used as a subtractive Boolean object to cut clean shapes into the handle. This technique creates thin supporting pieces that give the impression of a functional manufactured product rather than a single block of material. As more Boolean objects are introduced, keeping the project organized becomes increasingly important. New subtools are appended, renamed and positioned correctly before being merged into the overall design. A clean subtool structure not only saves time, but also makes future modifications much easier. Next, attention shifts to the internal blade structure. A separate mesh is aligned inside the handle to define where the blade would realistically sit when folded. This step helps reinforce the mechanical design and gives the knife a more believable construction. Once the internal layout is complete, the overall proportions are reviewed again. The blade is enlarged slightly, giving the knife a stronger, more rugged appearance. At the same time, multiple components are scaled together to maintain a balanced relationship between the blade and the handle. Making these adjustments before adding fine details ensures the final design feels consistent from every angle. During the modeling process, unexpected issues can happen. In this case, an accidental subtool deletion interrupts the workflow. Instead of starting over, the missing geometry is quickly replaced using a temporary sphere, allowing the modeling process to continue without losing momentum. Situations like this highlight the importance of staying flexible and maintaining an organized project structure. With the major forms complete, the focus shifts to adding industrial details. Using Insert Multi-Mesh or IMM brushes, the artist places mechanical components directly onto the surface of the knife. These ready-made inserts are perfect for adding bolts, latches, and other hard surface elements quickly while maintaining consistent quality throughout the model. A latch is added first, giving the knife a more functional appearance. This simple detail helps explain how different parts of the knife connect and operate, making the overall design feel more intentional. Next, multiple bolts are positioned across the surface of the handle. Rather than placing every bolt manually on both sides, symmetry and mirroring techniques are used to duplicate the details efficiently. This not only saves time, but also ensures perfect alignment between both sides of the model. As the final details come together, the knife begins to feel less like a digital sculpt and more like a manufactured product. The combination of clean Boolean cuts, balanced proportions, and carefully placed mechanical details creates a high poly model that is ready for the next stage of production. At this point, the high poly phase is complete. The model now contains all of the important design information needed for creating the final game asset. At this stage, the knife has evolved from a simple blockout into a detailed high-poly model with clean forms, believable construction, and carefully placed mechanical details. By focusing on strong proportions first and adding functional elements step by step, the design feels both realistic and intentional. This workflow demonstrates how thoughtful planning, clean Boolean operations, and subtle industrial details can turn a basic concept into a professional hard surface asset.